Look, I need you to stop for a second and think about the last time a piece of technology actually surprised you. Not just a slightly better screen or a slightly faster processor, but a device that fundamentally changed the vibe of your home. For years, the smart speaker market has been stuck. It's been a race to the bottom with cheap, plasticky pucks that sound like tin cans. But while everyone was looking at their phones, Apple was quietly engineering a comeback that is about to reset the standard for the modern home. We are talking about the HomePod Mini 2. And if you think this is just another small speaker with a new coat of paint, you are about to be proven very, very wrong. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an update, it is a total hostile takeover of your living space. I have spent weeks analyzing the latest FCC filings, the censor patents coming out of Apple's audio labs, and the supply chain shifts that point toward a massive hardware pivot. What I've found is a device that is less of a speaker and more of a home brain. We are talking about the integration of the S10 chip, a radical new approach to computational audio, and a secret feature called Spatial Awareness 2.0 that allows this tiny sphere to map your room with the precision of a professional sound engineer. In this video, we are diving into the deep end. We are breaking down why the HomePod Mini 2 is the missing piece of the Apple intelligence puzzle, how it uses ultra-wideband technology to track your movements for a truly invisible smart home, and why the sound quality coming out of this thing is physically impossible according to traditional acoustics. If you want to know how Apple is about to turn your house into a sci-fi movie, you cannot miss a single second of this. Let's start with the sound, because at the end of the day, it's a speaker. But the HomePod Mini 2 isn't playing by the old rules. Traditional speakers rely on size, big drivers, big cabinets, big air movement. Apple is using the M-series philosophy and applying it to audio. The HomePod Mini 2 features a new high-excursion transducer coupled with a set of force-canceling passive radiators. In plain English, it means you get deep, bone-rattling bass from a device that fits in the palm of your hand, without the speaker vibrating off the table. But the real magic is the computational audio. The S10 chip inside this thing is performing over 180 billion operations per second just to analyze the music you're playing. It's adjusting the equalization in real time, 500 times a second, to ensure that the vocals are crisp and the low end doesn't muddy the mids. But here is the kicker. It now uses room boundary sensing. Using its microphone array, the HomePod Mini 2 sends out ultrasonic pings, sounds you can't hear, to map where the walls are. If you place it in a corner, it knows. If you place it in the middle of a room, it knows. It then shapes the sound beam to bounce off surfaces, creating a 360-degree soundstage that makes it feel like the singer is standing 3 feet in front of you. It's not just loud, it's immersive. But let's talk about the smart in smart speaker, because this is where the HomePod Mini 2 becomes a mandatory purchase for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. We are finally entering the era of Apple intelligence in the home. For years, Siri has been, let's be honest, a bit of a letdown. But the HomePod Mini 2 is built around a new neural engine dedicated specifically to natural language processing. This speaker doesn't just hear your words, it understands your intent. With the new personalized proximity feature, the speaker uses the